Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallows slime full guide. Heat marshmallows gently with glue until melted and smooth, then stir in baking soda and a few drops of activator slowly. Keep stirring until the mixture pulls away from the bowl and becomes stretchy. If it feels sticky, knead with a little more activator or let it rest for a few minutes. Have a bowl and spatula ready. Start by melting marshmallows and glue on low heat while stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Once combined, add baking soda and stir until the mix thickens visibly and becomes glossy. Add activator drop by drop, testing elasticity as you go, because too much makes it rubbery. When the slime pulls cleanly from the bowl and stretches without breaking, transfer it to a surface and knead until smooth and bouncy for the best feel. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making easy craft guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long craft sessions and won't spill on your slime, which I find hilariously useful. It's sturdy, fits cup holders, and helps you sip between steps without ruining your workspace. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If your slime turns out sticky, knead an activator or a pinch of baking soda gradually until it firms up. For overly stiff slime, warm a few drops of water and knead it in to soften the texture without breaking the stretch. Always store marshmallow slime in an airtight container to maintain softness and prevent drying, and keep it away from fabrics that it could stick to. Play gently to extend its lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.